If you've been seeing Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray all over social media claiming it can make heavy rust disappear in seconds and restore old metal to a like-new finish, you may want to watch this before spending your money. Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray is promoted as an advanced solution that supposedly dissolves rust instantly, while also creating a protective layer to prevent future corrosion. But after examining the available evidence, many of these promises appear far more impressive in advertisements than they do in reality. Several promotional videos contain signs of AI-generated content and digital editing, making it difficult to determine whether the results shown are genuine. In some demonstrations, rust seems to disappear from areas where the spray is never directly applied, suggesting that editing or visual effects may have been used rather than authentic testing. Another concern is the heavy reliance on dramatic before and after images that often lack clear proof or consistent lighting, making it impossible to verify the claimed transformation. Many of the glowing customer reviews and testimonial photos also raise questions, because similar images and comments can be found promoting different products under completely different brand names. The marketing frequently includes countdown timers, huge limited-time discounts, and pressure to buy immediately, even though these offers often reappear later, which is a common tactic used to create false urgency. Research also indicates that this appears to be a generic rust remover sold under multiple labels at significantly different prices, which makes its branding look less exclusive than advertised. While rust removers can certainly help loosen surface rust when used correctly, no spray can magically reverse severe corrosion within seconds without proper mechanical cleaning or preparation. That doesn't automatically mean Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray is a scam, but the advertising contains enough exaggerated claims and questionable promotional practices that shoppers should approach it carefully. Compare independent reviews and keep realistic expectations before deciding whether it's truly worth the price.